Greetings, fellow nerds. Motor City Games here with a booster box opening of the Hecatomb Trading Card Game from Wizards of the Coast. I previously have opened up a starter deck of these, and here we go, 2005. And they tried to do something different with these plastic cards that fit on top of each other to make them power up and do all sorts of cool things. But alas, it was expensive, and as you can see how the booster packs come. Yeah, I think I paid $12 for this booster box. I'm not sure what they retailed for at the beginning, but I'm sure it was a heck of a lot more. No, look at that. They do have these nifty little, there we go, deck holders, if you will, to put your cards in. Show off, there we go, the back here. This is a starter deck that I opened. Cool artwork. I definitely want to try playing this. It's weird that they're all stuck together. But, there we go. You, your pagan god, and your abomination army are all that stands in the way of tomorrow. New players should begin with a Hecatomb 40-card starter. Booster packs are recommended for expert players. Blah, blah, blah. Yeah. So there's their dead website for their dead game. But yeah, Wizards of the Coast, they branched out and tried to do a lot more than just Magic. And none too successful. But at least I give them kudos for trying, pre-Hasbro days. Oh yes, and they have this piece of paper in there to keep them from getting smushed, I guess. So you can see they're just kind of thrown in here and they're all stuck together. I'm not even going to try pronouncing this god's name. This is a rare. A la Pokemon, there's the star at the bottom. And the uncommon with the diamond. There we go. And as you can see, they're meant to be played like so. And then you can add strength and different things to characters. Yeah, and Daughter of Blood. Whoop. So then the commons. And it's, I mean, they have some cool, definitely Wizards of the Coast magic-y artwork. And it's a nice horror-themed game. Blood Monkey, the funky monkey. Glimpse of the Cosmos. I mean, look at this. Cool. I mean, this kind of looks like Vampire the Masquerade art. More than Magic, I guess. Although with the new expansion coming up, the Murders at Tarkov Manor, I think it's called. Or Mystery of Tarkov Manor, something like that. Set in the Innistrad world. There we go. Keep one of these. One of the weird things, like, trying to find pages to collect these is a pain in the butt. Or a pain in the skull swarm. There we go. My rare. And I'm just putting all these, another meddling kids. Oh, where's the Scooby card? So, as you can see, I can't imagine shuffling these things. But maybe once you pull them apart, they'll shuffle. But yeah, they're all stuck together from 100 lashes. Bringer of Sacrifice, Gift of Hades, and 5-space Interloper. But yeah, so I got some 4-pocket pages to put these guys in. And if I want to do some kind of sleeves, I would have to use like a hair straightener or a sealing thing, or a, there we go, like a soldering knife. Ooh, this card here is bent. Open the tomb. Eviscerator, another 100 lashes. Hidden power, another bringer, another gift of Hades, another 5-space interloper. Food poisoning, not good for anyone. Midnight snack, and Forsaken Shell. Huh? There we go. Glotta the Collector. Or Glatra, excuse me. Primeval Larva. Skin Melder. Dark Genesis. Haha! Surrounded by idiots! I know the feeling. I think I made that joke last time, didn't I? I don't know. Brain Surgeon. Winchester Blessing. Makes me think of Shaun of the Dead. Hypersonic Fiend. Alastarian. Forbidden Word. And Angama. Angama? Cruel Reaper is the rare. Baby Blood Monkey. Oh, wait, that one. There we go. Torment. Ghoulish Reanimator. Creature from Shiloh. Another Brain Surgeon. Winchester Blessing. Hypersonic Fiend. You can definitely see the commons are common. True Gargoyle, as opposed to a false gargoyle. That's a cool soldering. Ages 15 and up, huh? I don't think my friends and I would have tried this back in the day. We were pretty set with our Unholy Fusion. We were pretty set with our Magic and Star Wars Decipher games back in the day. Fire Overwhelming. Another Baby Blood Monkey. Macottle. Chucho. Hecatomb. Just, you know, like many things in the TCG world, the idea was sound, just in practice it didn't work out so well. Man, I hope when these first came out they weren't so stuck together. There we go. Tulikos. Armor Graft. Oof. And there we go. Curse of the Ancients. Thousand-faced one. I only saw one face, but okay. I'm sorry. Soul Drain. Life Extraction. Eek. You play this, lose one soul. Hatcheteer. Cool artwork. Night Child. Definitely a different art style there. Paganel. Looks like something from Cthulhu. Let's just try doing this to speed up the process, especially with these pieces of cardboard there. And I also have a booster box to open for a future video of their All Hallows Eve expansion. So I'm looking forward to that, to see more gothic horror artwork. Jeez Louise. Alright. Another Tekiz Tekatl. Gesundheit. Haha. Hebriel. And Breath Stealer. Needle Shaman. Oof. I'm going to try to go through these comments fairly fast because we've seen a lot of them already. These things probably get all scratched to crap too from... Oh, Nephilim. I haven't seen that. One's cool. Have. Ooh. No, to sever the minions from the Abomination. That's cool. The Abomination is when the cards are all put together. It's a minion. Otherwise. Bloodstone. Cool artwork. Another Needle Shaman. And Ruin Sifter. depict. Ooh, elephant. Crypt caller. Ooh, suckling. Spirit of fury. Surrounded by idiots, and it was only a dream. Seemed to come back to back, huh? Slaughter wheel. Ooh. Raven Mancer and Lord of Sacrifices. I don't know if they have like an ultra rare rarity in these cards, or mythic, or whatever you want to call it. I didn't do enough research. That's just usually the case, but I don't care. Heard a wolf-like. Oh man, alive. Blood monkey. Almost feels like when you get a new tablet or computer or something, the plastic they put over the screen to protect it until it gets to you, or like you put on your phone or your Nintendo Switch to protect it from getting scratched up. Moloch, oof, yikes. Primordial larva, skin melder. Another one of these. Ooh, man. Hush. Ooh, wicked. That's creepy. Definitely some creepy, but in a cool way, creepy cool art. Being from Beyond. And Hector. Gatekeeper. So, yep, there's a second. Okay. Ruin Sifter and Weretick. We'll skip the commons and go. Vision of Death. Yeek. Cephalopod and Reprocess. Alright, and this pack, Price of Insolence, Sunder, and Nahual. Alright, now these last packs here, we'll do the same thing. I wonder how bad of a bath Wizards took on this game. I've watched a couple videos on how to play, and it seems intriguing, but fairly complicated compared to some of the other stuff I'm playing now. And getting at the age where it's hard enough for me to remember how to play the games I already know how to play. So I will try this at least once or twice with a friend and go from there. I have enough cards to easily make a couple decks. That's all I care about. And then they go in the collection, and we play with friends. And the last pack. There we go. All right, we'll start with this one. Sermon of Lies. Lord of Sacrifices and Raven Mancer. Tenochtitlan King. It's the rare. Vasculate is uncommon, and Nebrios. Oh, nope. Sorry. Helminth. It's who you buy mayonnaise from in hell. Set. Oof. There's Nebrios. And, oh, I guess there's 3 uncommons, eh? Ebriel. Breath Stealer. So, Raging Gortusk, Hungry Chupacabra, and a Skin Taker. Going heavy into the Mesoamerican mythology here. Definitely makes it different than other games out there. At least back then. Hades. Another Sunder. Oh, this is so annoying. Another Nahual. And... ooh. Murder of Crows. Oh yes, the smell test. Oh. They smell like 409 cleaning fluid. I could get the whiff from up here. That's what reminded me to smell them. Corrosive Guru, Maniacal Silverback, and Crocothrop. Sorry, Thrope. Crocothrop, like the lycanthrope. And a Slimoid. Ravenous Reaver. Smothering Curtains. Curtains for you, see. Another Evasculate. And another Helminth.